Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can remove the chat lock password in WhatsApp app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. So let us get started with you. And open the WhatsApp app on your phone, and then at the bottom, go to the chats section. And next, if you swipe down on chats from the top, you'll see a section called Blocked Chats. You'll need to log into it. Use your Face ID to do that. So we click on it. We use Face ID. And that's how we get into the Blocked Chat section. Next, click on the chat with the person you would like to unlock. Then, at the top, click on the person's name. Scroll down, and here at the very bottom, you'll see that you have locked chat active. And if you want to unblock that person, then you click on that function. Use Face ID again. And then when you come back, you can see that this person has been unblocked and is now a member of your regular chats. Friends, this is the simple way you can remove the chat lock password in WhatsApp app. I really hope this video has helped you. Please friends, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.